Our yard is full of birds. Look, there's a cardinal. We know that one. Our yard is full of birds. Our yard is full of birds. There are birds in the trees and on the lawn and in our flower garden. The phoebe sits on the stone wall by the garden and wags its tail at me. That's the phoebe. And the phoebe says, Phoebe, Phoebe. A wren lives in a little birdhouse my father helped me build. Wrens usually just make a little beep, beep, beep. A pair of cardinals lives in our tall pine tree all year long. They are always here. The cardinal says, birdie, 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 birdie. And cheer, cheer, cheer. Shiny speckled starlings like to perch in the treetops. They squeak and whistle and squawk, and then they fly away. There are lots of little sparrows hopping around on our back door, around our back door. They like the little breadcrumbs I throw at them each morning. Today I saw 3 yellow goldfinches splashing their feathers clean in the bird bath in our yard. A red-eyed vireo came to join them. You can see his red eye. Bet you that's where he got his name. Summertime is when swallows swoop and soar through the sky. Those are swallows. Searching for mosquitoes to eat. But the little screech owl waits in the hole in the oak tree, and when darkness comes, out it flies. Morning doves coo and wake me up. You can hear them. They say, coo, 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 coo. When the woodpecker starts to make a loud noise, it is drilling for insects in the old maple tree. The robin begins to sing. What does the robin say? Cheerily, cheer up, cheerio. Cheerily, cheer up, cheerio. There he is. A yellow warbler, a purple finch, and a red-winged blackbird start to sing their songs. The red-winged blackbird says, Conklaree, conklaree. Mockingbirds and catbirds can imitate the songs of other birds. The funny catbird can say, meow, just like a cat. But the bright Baltimore oriole has its own pretty song to sing. Kinglets and nuthatches and chickadees and juncos and tufted titmice come to eat the seeds. I put in the bird feeder in winter. And that's a black-capped chickadee. Do you remember last year we learned his sound? Chickadee-dee-dee-dee-dee, chickadee-dee-dee-dee-dee. The tiniest bird in our yard is the ruby-throated hummingbird that sucks nectar like a bee from our garden of flowers. The biggest is the big black raven. One day, some blue jays nest in a branch just outside my window. The mother bird lays 4 speckled eggs. They look very much like the cardinal's eggs. And if you've heard a blue jay, they say, JJ, JJ, JJ. The eggs hatch into 4 baby blue jays. I watch them every day from my window. My father likes the cardinals best. My mother loves the tiny hummingbirds. But as for me, I love every single bird I see in our yard. The end.